For decades, aircraft carriers have ruled the seas. These massive ships project power around the globe. They are symbols of naval dominance. But a new player has entered the scene, and it's changing the game. China's DF-26B missile, nicknamed the Carrier Killer, is a game-changer. This advanced weapons system is challenging the United States Navy's long-standing supremacy at sea. It is forcing military strategists to rethink traditional naval warfare. The emergence of the DF-26B signals a shift in the balance of power. It highlights the growing military might of China. It also underscores the vulnerability of even the most powerful warships in the face of modern anti-ship missiles. The world is witnessing a new era of naval warfare, one where long-range precision strikes can cripple a fleet from afar. The DF-26B is not just another missile, it is a highly sophisticated weapons system. It boasts advanced technological capabilities. This makes it a formidable threat to even the most well-defended targets. Developed by China's People's Liberation Army Rocket Force, the DF-26B represents a new generation of Chinese military technology. It is designed to strike both stationary targets and moving vessels at sea. This dual capability sets it apart from many other anti-ship missiles. It gives China the ability to target United States aircraft carriers operating in the Western Pacific. The DF-26B is a powerful symbol of China's growing military might. It is a clear message to the United States and its allies that China is a force to be reckoned with in the 21st century. One of the most significant features of the DF-26B is its incredible range. This missile can travel up to 4,000 kilometers or 2,500 miles. That's far enough to reach United States military bases in Guam. It can also target any ship within the South China Sea, which China claims as its own. This extensive range gives China a significant strategic advantage. It allows China to hold United States assets at risk from a safe distance. This complicates United States military operations in the region. The United States Navy has long relied on its ability to operate freely in international waters. The DF-26B's range challenges this freedom. It raises concerns about the vulnerability of United States forces in the Pacific. The DF-26B is a road-mobile missile system. This means it can be easily transported and launched from different locations. This mobility is crucial for its survivability. It makes it very difficult for enemy forces to track and target the missile before it's launched. The launchers are mounted on large trucks. These trucks can quickly move through China's vast road network. They can also disperse into remote areas, making them hard to find. This mobility is a key part of China's military strategy. It ensures that the DF-26B can survive a first strike and retaliate effectively. Section 5. Double Threat, the Dual Warhead Capability. The DF-26B is a dual-capable missile. This means it can carry either a conventional or a nuclear warhead. This flexibility makes it a very versatile weapon. It significantly increases its deterrent value. In a conventional conflict, the DF-26B could be used to strike high-value targets. These include aircraft carriers, air bases, and command centers. The nuclear capability adds another layer of complexity. It raises the stakes in any conflict. It increases the risk of escalation. The dual warhead capability gives China a range of options for responding to threats. This ambiguity is a key part of China's deterrent strategy. Section 6. Challenging the status quo, the DF-26B and China's A2/AD strategy. The DF-26B is a key component of China's anti-access/area denial, or A2/AD strategy. This strategy aims to prevent the United States military from intervening effectively in a conflict in the Western Pacific, particularly in the South and East China Seas. By deploying a network of advanced missiles like the DF-26B, China can create a keep-out zone. This zone makes it risky for United States forces to operate near China's shores. This challenges the United States Navy's traditional dominance in the region. It forces the United States to reconsider its military posture. Section 7. The United States response. Can they counter the carrier killer? The United States military is well aware of the threat posed by the DF-26B. They are actively developing countermeasures. These include advanced missile defense systems, electronic warfare capabilities, and new tactics. The United States Navy is investing heavily in upgrading its existing fleet. They're also developing new technologies to counter the threat. However, the effectiveness of these measures remains uncertain. The DF-26B's speed, maneuverability, and range make it a very challenging target. The United States is also focusing on dispersing its forces and using unmanned platforms to reduce its vulnerability. Section 8. A New World Order, Geopolitical Implications of the DF-26B. The development and deployment of the DF-26B have significant geopolitical implications. It highlights the shifting balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. The missile directly challenges United States military dominance in the region. This has fueled tensions between the two superpowers. The DF-26B is a potent symbol of China's growing military might. It serves as a reminder that the United States can no longer assume military superiority. This new reality is shaping regional dynamics. It is forcing countries to reassess their alliances and security arrangements. The world is entering a new era of great power competition, one that is defined by advanced technologies like the DF-26B.